It's BALACLAVA up in this bitch. Shout out to Gary in the comments from the first video who had first recommended showing more clips of me riding and had asked if I ever been stopped by the cops anytime while I was riding. Now at the time of making that video, of course it was a no. So 2 weeks after I made that video, on my commute to work, I was pulled over and ticketed for speeding on an e-bike. So initially, me and the officer got into a dispute on whether or not the RZ was an e-bike or a motorcycle. Now, after 45 minutes of back and forth and a review of the Texas state law here in Houston, the RZ is an e-bike and you do not need any motorcycle insurance, motorcycle license, and or plates for that, but it's still highly recommended for you to get insurance for your e-bike. I was able to get coverage for mine for less than $100. I was ticketed and now I have to go to court on Monday to dispute this ticket. I say all this to say you are not invisible on the road to cops, you know what I mean? Just because you're on an e-bike, they still can mess around, and especially at the end of the month when they trying to hit them quotas. Oh yeah, they coming for sure. Best tips and tricks for avoiding the police when you're out riding on an e-bike: watch out for speed traps, look for that international signal, you know what I mean? It's gonna be a little helmet tap, somebody gonna let you know that there's a speed trap coming up. Or if there's cars on the road flashing their high beams, you know what I mean, their lights, they're trying to let you know, hey, them Jakes is around the corner, and you know what I mean, be on the lookout. I hope you guys like this video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Gary, I hope I answered your question, man. Make sure Gary, be careful when you out there, Gary. All right, I don't want to see you out here, you know what I mean? Nah, bro, you gotta be careful, Gary. You gotta be careful.